It's game time and I'm up one.
How many bottles of product? So we're about building relationships. So I'm a Tima, Glossy, the fastest growing brands for detailing products, chemicals, and coatings in the world.
Hey guys, welcome to another edition of the Weekly Buff. And this week we've got this yellow Italian beauty in here, a 488 Pista, which has a twin turbocharged 3.9 V8, putting out 710 horsepower and 586 pounds of torque. This rear-wheel drive car does 0 to 60 in 2.85 seconds with a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Now, the first step in getting started on this vehicle is to do a decontamination and wash process, which included the wheel wells, the undercarriage, all the emblems, and the car did have some inspection done before about the paint, and Ferrari did a great job, but unfortunately they had some color sanding scratches and pigtails. We masked off the vehicle. We went after those imperfections with a new micro polisher and our Evo 12 to get those tight areas to remove the imperfections. Also, the carbon fiber inside the car needed a lot of attention. We used our Evo 21 dual action polisher. This thing's a beast for correcting the main surfaces on the yellow paint. We also went into a paint protection film kit into the front end, which consisted of the full front hood, bumper, and the rocker panels and rear diffuser. We used our low Seda gun to coat the calipers, the face, and the barrel of the wheels, and including the suspension and the undercarriage. Then we proceeded to use our IR lamp. Now, this car received the best coatings for the paint and interior. We used our 10H graphene on the paint and our leather and vinyl guard on all the leather surfaces on the interior. We used the textile on the carpet to protect any coffee spills. Now, this vehicle is an absolutely stunning example. The customer did not want us to mention who they were, but I will tell you that the car stickered for close to $700,000. They did not order the car. They actually picked it up here local in Vegas from the Ferrari dealership. Stay tuned and be sure to like or subscribe or ring the bell if you like this video. We'll see you next week.